Hey guys, welcome back to Alex and Wadney Entertainment. I'm Alex, and of course, this is my beautiful wife, Wadney.
Aww.
Do you see her hair? Guys, look at those box braids. So nice. So, let's just get down to it. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel, Alex and Wadney Entertainment. Like our video, and comment down below. Well, we need to get into why we're doing this video first off.
Are you gonna let me talk? I see you're doing all the intro.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you see every time we post a video. Because I see Alex is taking the show, so I had to wait, hold on.
I'll share.
Am I gonna be part of this intro?
Well, this whole thing was your idea, so.
And you guys, if you guys haven't watched our Q&A video, I'll put the thumbnail right there. You guys, we are back. We do work, okay?
Yes, we work very hard.
We do not do YouTube full time, okay? So this is kind of like the weekends. We're gonna have a set schedule, but we are fully back. It's April, so I don't know exactly when this video is gonna come out. So that's why it's important to hit that notification bell. And also, we'd like to thank you.
Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel.
Thank you for liking our videos. Yeah.
And let's get down to business. Why are we here today, Wadney?
We're here today because we're gonna be doing some unboxing, some electronic unboxing, I should say. Alex needed a new phone.
Yeah, so we're not going to be unboxing my phone today because the battery in my old iPhone 7 was just toast, and it was imperative that I got my new phone up and running.
Yes.
But Wadney, on the other hand, and she also got the nicer of the two iPhones. She got the iPhone 12 Pro Max.
This should be
I just got a regular 12. All right, so in addition to that, we also got out for my phone, more or less, I got a wireless charger. I mean, this is 2021 after all, you know. Wired chargers are kind of overrated, and this is just the plug for it, nothing special. But let's get down to business again. Wadney?
Okay. All right. So basically, this is the phone. I already opened it, you guys. Is the angle okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. This is how it looks like when you open it up.
You need me to get it for you?
Yeah, I guess. You guys comment down below with my nails. Tell me if you guys like my nails.
There we go.
All right, so this is how, like I said, I already opened it back up already. So I don't know if the glare is bothering you guys. Let's see if I can. Oops. Okay, here we go. Okay. And
that's pretty good sized.
That's how the charger looks like. There's two buttons right here.
Like on all iPhones.
Yeah, and then the camera.
Yep. Yeah, as you can see, she's got 3 on hers. My regular iPhone's only got 2.
Yeah.
I don't know what the third one is for exactly, but anyways.
And then it comes with...
Well, it's an Apple product, so it comes with an Apple sticker, I'm sure. Oh, yep, there it is.
Hey, what the heck this is, babe? This little thing.
That is a question I do not know the answer to. Maybe it says it right here.
Alex is reading the label, but has this on there.
Sure what that little
I don't know what the
is.
hell. Comment down below if you guys know what the heck this is, or it just comes with the phone.
Yeah,
I don't
know. I'm actually, huh.
I don't know. That's what it came.
See that?
It's kind of weird, and it comes with this little instruction.
Yeah, it's in case you got crud inside your little charging port and you gotta pick it out.
Yeah.
I got some crud in mine. Fortunately, I work in a shop environment, so I was able to just use an air hose.
And then it comes with a charger. Now, you guys, what's different? Let me open this up. It comes with this is how it comes in. And we're gonna the features on there. It has the like on the phone. So to unlock it, I have to You have to I have to see myself. Let's see. I don't know why. See, I don't know if it's just me.
No, because you tried doing it too many times and it.
Okay.
Just stop. Hold on. Stop.
Okay.
Yeah, it had too many failed attempts, so you have to type in the code. See?
Oops. I don't want to do that on camera. Okay, so yeah, these are all my apps. Anyways, you guys get the point of the phone, and Alex is gonna be putting the case on there.
Yeah.
Right?
Let me see. Yeah, you should probably do that first. Actually, we don't want any.
I want to show my address. I already opened it up already, you guys. It's actually. Oh, one thing we need to say, babe. We need to tell them how they can get this on Amazon and not at the store.
Yes. So when we went to the store, just the case alone and then the screen protector alone were like $50 each.
So yeah.
So basically, I got all of our stuff for under $50. In my case, her case, and both of our screen protectors. And then it was a little bit more money for my wireless charger, but that's fine.
Okay.
And that wasn't even that bad. So, Amazon.
I like the color. Thank you, honey.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Mwah. I hope I can get lipstick on you. Thank you. All right. So, I'm going to pass it on to Alex now so he could show you guys how to do the screen, right?
Oh, yeah, no pressure. Hopefully I don't butcher it like I did my first screen. That was not good. We don't want a repeat of Wadney's last phone. Huh, Wadney?
When it dropped.
Yeah.
Should I get something to wipe it first?
It comes with wipes, Wadney.
Okay.
So,
if you can come closer.
You can see these have some pretty bulky cameras on it, so they actually sell little protectors for the camera as well. Okay.
Yeah, come a little closer right here, yeah. Where I see me.
So it gives you a wet and a dry wipe. And then the dust absorber.
Wow. So that was all for how much?
Oh.
This one, just for this one.
It was like $15, I think.
Oh, that's good that it comes with everything it needs to. Are you nervous because it's going to be on camera?
No, I'm good. I got this.
All right, comment down below if you guys got an iPhone.
As I said, I just did this last night, so.
Yeah.
You use a wet wipe first. I like to be thorough. Okay, wet.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yeah, you already got like a light scratch on there.
Comment down below, ladies, if you guys are like this.
I can't take her anywhere.
I don't know how, babe, I kept it in, let me tell you where I kept it. I kept it in this little pouch. Look, I kept it in this pouch. Look.
Yeah, I see that. You didn't do a very good job with that, apparently. Yeah, you got a little scratcheroo on there. Well, so then, after you get that really good, they have this little sticky thing you just use to get any excess dust off.
Peter?
He's around here somewhere.
Babe, you flipped it backwards?
Yeah?
So you didn't clean it? Damn, it's cheap. It's ripping.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, take your time when you do this. Man, this screen's already a little jacked up.
Really? I don't think so. I kept it in the pouch like I told you.
Not very well.
As long as...
Well, this is why they have Gorilla Glass or whatever composite this is.
Oh my God. We didn't even introduce Peter. But go ahead. I'm not...
This is not the time, Wadney.
No.
Gently. Like that. Well, it looks a little better with the casing on it. All right, so there we go. All good.
And now you got to the back?
Oh yeah, back.
It's clear.
Yeah, make sure your facial thing still works and that your front camera is not obstructed or anything.
Comment down below, you guys. How is Alex doing with this? Babe, they said that you sound like a commercial person when you talk. Some of the comments.
I was told I have a good speaking voice.
Yeah.
I had to take a public speaking class in school. That was brutal, but got better at public speaking. Got rid of my stage fright.
But you're still shy though sometimes.
Yeah, depends.
But I bring it out of you because I'm an outgoing person.
These cameras are nice and clean.
Damn, I think I'm supposed to eat something, babe.
Nice and shiny. So there's this. Okay, this is the right way. So with this one, you want to make sure you get it nice and lined up and apply a little bit of pressure and it snaps right on. So this one's a little easier than the front casing. And see, got this nice protected glass over your fancy little cameras. Then the case.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
All right, babe. So, well, this one's not super fancy. This is just a wireless charger, okay? I got this off of Amazon. So basically what it does is, I don't know if Wadney's case has it, but mine has this magnetic thing where it just clips on the back. Does yours do that too?
Do I have to take it off the case?
No. See it?
Uh-huh.
See, look at that. I think mine's got some kind of assist for it.
But like, show the cord, babe, a little slower. Like, take it, show the cord.
And then here's this little port Wadney was talking about earlier. See, Apple, yeah, that's one of my critiques with Apple is they like to make you buy new stuff with their products so you don't get to, excuse me, use the existing one. Make you spend more money.
I'm gonna show you guys the.
It fits! It's a Christmas miracle, even though it's April.
Oh my God, babe. Oh my God. Oh man.
So then, got a plug outlet right here.
Okay, I'm gonna.
So now, I got the charger plugged in, and I put Wadney's phone on it, not a lot of cord length. That's so cool. All right. And that's all of our stuff. So, because we unboxed Wadney's phone, I just want to show you, this is the one for the regular 12. Yeah, Wadney's is a little bit bigger. You're not showing it very well.
Sorry.
See? A little bit of a size difference there.
Just like how your size is, babe? Is it
Wadney, this is a family-friendly YouTube channel. Be nice.
I'm not saying anything.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, this is the regular 12. And I mean, it's a box. So, yay.
All right, you guys, since Alex did the intro and you guys are asking me for an actual intro, we are going to do it. But get us to 1,000 subscribers so I can find somebody to do an intro for us. But in the meantime, we will be doing our intro, okay?
Yes.
So don't come for me in the comments. Anyways, you guys, if you guys like this video, give the video a thumbs up.
Yay!
Comment down below what kind of phone you have. And also, oops. And
Don't
also,
break the new screen protector. Shit.
oh my gosh. That's my dad, you guys. That's my dad.
If your wife is destructive as mine, make sure you protect your investments. Please.
Anyways.
I'm gonna get a whooping for that later. It was worth it.
Oh my guys, this is like the real us, so. Like, that's why everybody's saying that our channel is different, is because like we try to give the real everything.
Well, you're honest, so that makes it different right off the bat.
Yeah, I am. I'm really honest. I'm really honest. But anyways, subscribe. Alex, go ahead. You want to talk about... Thank you guys so much. I said it in the beginning of the video, for subscribing, for sharing. I know that we wasn't consistent last month, but we're trying to do better. Mm-hmm. So if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Let me give you guys 2 minutes.
Yeah, all the cool kids are subscribing.
You should be hitting that bell, because when you hit the subscribe button, it turns gray. That means good, you guys.
Ring that bell.
They say when you say it like that, they say you sound like a commercial.
And make sure you ring that bell.
So you know every time we post a video, you guys. We'll see you on our next video.
Bye.